Oh man, this is gonna be a little bit hard to chew and swallow, man, to put in my mouth. It's just, they're right here. Oh man, that one is just so cute. Oh. Hey, good morning. Welcome back to Young and Hungry, guys. This is Sir Andy here, and today I have a special guest with me. This is my oldest brother, Tony. So Tony has been around the world for many years, and he traveled all over the place in Europe, in Asia, and now he's settled here in Orlando, Florida, and he found an amazing farm that I'm going to be showing you in just a little bit, and it has all kind of poultry, all kind of chicken and duck, and they have guinea pigs, and that's what we're planning on having tonight. So don't go anywhere. We're going to show you how we prepare the food, the guinea pigs, and how it's going to taste like. I've never had it before. He's never had it before, so it's going to be incredible. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Stick around, and I'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Oregano. Here, guys, we're at apoultry.com here. This place is incredible. It has all kind of animals ready for sale. So they have chicken over here, they have some ducks in the back, and they have amazing, incredible. They have hundreds of goats in the back. I'll show you that too. And let's go check out the guinea pig. Let's go. So we're at the guinea pig cage right now, and they're so adorable. Oh man, this is gonna be a little bit hard to chew and swallow, man, to put in my mouth. It's just, they're right here. I mean, they're so cute. I never had a guinea pig as a pet, but I did have a hamster as a pet at one point. So my brother is getting 10 guinea pigs, and he's gonna get them right now. Oh man. So he's gonna take them to the back, and he's gonna get them clean. Oh boy. So how much was that? So it's $12 for a guinea pig. So we got 10, so it's like 120. Wow. So this place, they have all kind of chicken, they have all kind of poultry here for you. They have some rabbits in the back as well. And they have different kind of chicken. Like this one is, I have no idea. This is some just generic yellow chicken. That's some white chicken. There we go. These are some roosters. And the guinea pigs over there. This are probably quails. Not too sure. So in the back of the farm, they also have hundreds of goats here for you to choose. Hundreds of them. They have some over here. They have some geese over there. Cua dầu ăn đúng không? Dầu ăn không?
Cái gia vị mà để mà ướp này thì mình theo cái kiểu phong tục của Việt Nam thôi. Mình tại vì đây là lần đầu tiên mấy anh em làm cái này, nhưng mà cái ướp thì có nè, có muối nè, có bột nêm nè, có nước mắm nè, có một hai muỗng sa tế nè, có dầu ăn. Cho một chút xíu của Việt Nam mình luôn, đúng là ấy luôn. Mùi rất là thơm luôn. Ta-da! Nữa mà em mình luôn thì cũng là chuẩn bị 5 độ nhậu. Sắp tới còn 2 người nữa tới. Chia sẻ. Đó, bên trong là mình dùng cái bộ ướp này nha, mình lấy nó rồi mình xoa đều khắp cái bên trong bên ngoài của món nhậu của mình nha. Sau rồi mình để đó khoảng 1 tiếng gì đó nha các bạn, để cho nó ngấm cái gia vị vào trong, xong rồi mình sẽ tiếp tục cái công đoạn thứ hai, lát hồi nữa mình sẽ show cho các bạn ha. Đó, kỹ càng từng chút một đó, trong ngoài ha, chăm sóc kỹ càng, rờ mó kỹ từng chỗ giống như người yêu các bạn vậy. Ok, lát hồi muốn ăn nó mới ngấm ngon được. Đó, đó, các bạn thấy không, dân nhậu ướp có tâm không, năm chú là màu sắc như nhau. Thơm quá, mùi thơm lên rồi đó. Đỉnh luôn.
Có ai có nhu cầu xá bóp thì gọi mình nha.
Nhưng mà sau đó là đang còn sống hay là nằm rồi bụng banh như vậy rồi. Mình không có dùng cái lò nước than hay là nước ấy mà hay bán ở ngoài Home Depot nha. Để coi tụi mình ra. Wow, quá tuyệt. Thơm lắm nha. Thơm lắm nha.
Hai cái chân nó giòn nha kìa, nó giòn, cái đầu nó giòn.
Nó hồi lật nó ngon. Nó hồi lật.
Ghê.
So we got the food here, guys. So we got the guinea pigs right here. It looks quite incredible. I'm here with my cousin. He's from DC, just visiting us. His name is Leo. He's one of the best poker in the U.S. So we're very proud to have him here today with us. And this is not something that we eat every day. It's just to be clear, this is our first time trying this. So oh my God, this is very, very intimidating. Okay. Start with the leg?
Yeah.
Okay, we start with the leg. And right here we have a dipping sauce. It's basically just chili salt with some lime juice. Okay, we're gonna look at the pro right here. There you go. Let's look at this. Oh. Yeah, I'll start with the leg. See how it goes.
Rón bốc miếng này vào để cho nó ngon.
My mom just brought out some kimchi. Wow, so it's like quail meat. It's like just, chicken dark meat. Wow, it's really good. What do you think?
Ngon.
It's
Delicious.
good? Ngon is Vietnamese for delicious. So he's enjoying it. How about the skin? Yeah, sao?
Chewy,
Yeah?
but it's not like rubber.
But it's like looking at me.
Better.
It's better? So is it like a rabbit? What do you think?
More chewy, a little chewier than rabbit.
A little bit chewier than rabbit, wow. But the intimidating part is the head, it's like looking straight at me. It's just, I can't, it's just so incredible. I mean, but the whole thing, it's very meaty. It's about, this is probably about a pound, or approximately 2 pounds. Very, very big guinea pigs. Wow. It's like chicken, huh? It's more like duck. If you ever had duck before, it's more like that. But I'm gonna tear off a piece of leg here. Oh my God. This guy's going at it. He's like, he's gonna get a pair of scissors. Oh. There are some tiny bones in it.
Yeah.
So he's cutting up.
Around the bone.
So he's cutting it up. It's a little bit hard to tear up. So
Okay.
so on a scale 1 to 10, how good is it?
9.
9. It's pretty good. Dip it in the chili, lemon salt. It's quite chewy. So the rest of my family is dining inside. It's just a little bit too loud for the camera, so that's why he and I are out here just enjoying the food. We'll join them in just a little bit. But this is it doesn't have any kind of funny texture, no funny smell at all. Like, it doesn't smell, right? Yeah, no bad smell, man. It smells really good. Basically, I would say it's just like chicken. It's so good. But it's just the intimidating part, it's just, the visual itself. So there's that. Wow. I'm gonna dip it in the salt here. Yeah, the skin is crispy. It stayed in the oven for like an hour, and then we broiled the top for about 5 minutes. The skin became extremely crispy. So good. Who would have thought, But there are like a lot of tiny little bones that you gotta watch out for. So there's that. Okay, and my cousin just showed me there's actually a little bit of the intestinal meat, some organ over here. Oh man, I see these are kidneys? Like, there are 2 of them, so wow. Interesting. Just like oh my god, this is oh boy. So this is a piece of meat that he just tore off of me, so let's try it. Yo. Yo means cheer in Vietnamese. Wow. Wow. And my mom also brought out some salad, like some veg herbs. So let's try it with these just to kind of mask the taste of fat and meat. Fresh. Really fresh. There's a little planters when my mom grabbed a little bit of stuff. Hey mom. I love mom. That's my dad, that's my cousin. Do you want the head? I'm gonna give it to my cousin because no, I can't do this, man. It's the visual. So my mom is afraid that I'm still hungry, so she's fixing me a plate now with her, home cooked food. It's so awesome.
Thôi hết luôn. Này. Ngon quá này. Rất là ngon.
My mom is trying to give us some food, some like family food. So this is fermented. This is pickle cabbage, Vietnamese style. So dưa muối. It's really good.
Dưa cà chua Việt Nam.
Dưa cà chua Việt Nam. So it's Vietnamese pickle cabbage. It's really good. And we're gonna have it some rice and some meat. Chấm cái gì mà? Chấm nước mắm. Dip it in fish sauce.
Thịt kho, cá kho.
Or some kind of like caramelized, meat sauce.
Rất là tốn cơm đấy.
She's like, it's gonna take a lot of rice. She loves it. She's such a sweetheart. That's my mom. We're not acting. I'm very affectionate, toward my mom. Yay. They're still out there just eating. So this is the jar of pickled cabbage that she has right here. That's what she does. Like, she makes pickled cabbage like every month, and we would go through the entire jar once a month. Is it good? How do you like it? Do you like it?
Quá ngon.
They're still going at it. It's incredible. Big pieces of pork. You don't want guinea pigs to go, man? Take two home. Take two home.
Too rich, too rich.
Chứ đây thì tấm cái của rồi nha.
Wow, what an amazing dinner we just had together with my mom and dad and my cousins, my brother. It was really interesting. It was our first time. It was everyone's first time trying guinea pig, and they all loved it for some reason. You know, it's really not that bad. It's just the visual, the killing was a little bit too much, and the face, which is a little bit too much for any of us here. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends and family, and give me a comment down below, you know, what you thought of this video and whatever you want to see in the future. I'll try to make it happen for you. And always remember, keep it up, never give up. Stay young, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah? Good night, goodbye.